Star Trek: Discovery introduced Starfleet fans to a new ship, a new mission and new crew when it premiered a year ago this week on CBS All Access. The second season won't get underway until January, but that doesn't mean the voyage is in limbo. The mission continues in the off-season thanks to 4 standalone short films that began rolling out October 4th. The trailer just landed for Runaway, the first of those 10 to 15-minute mini-movies. It spotlights Ensign Tilly, Mary Wiseman, who encounters an unexpected visitor in need of help. Check out the trailer above. Maja Vervila directed the short, which was written by Jenny Lumet and Alex Kurtzman. Kurtzman is also Discovery's co-creator, with Brian Fuller, and showrunner. Kurtzman has described the short films as a way to deliver closed-ended stories while revealing clues about what's to come in future Star Trek: Discovery episodes.
They'll also introduce audiences to new characters who may inhabit the larger world of Star Trek. The Discovery series is set roughly a decade before the events of the original show. This month marked the 53rd anniversary of the premiere of the original Star Trek series, which lasted a mere 79 episodes over 3 seasons on NBC. The show departed from the airwaves, but it never left the zeitgeist. The brainchild of creator Gene Roddenberry returned as a pop culture powerhouse that continues to win over new generations of fans with its optimistic sci-fi vision of mankind's altruistic future.
The second season of Discovery will be produced by CBS Television Studios in association with Secret Hideout, Roddenberry Entertainment, and Living Dead Guy Productions. Upcoming short Trek films feature Craft, a new character played by Aldous Hodge, Saru, Doug Jones, and Harry Mudd, Rainn Wilson, who also will direct his installment in the series.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.